Good day. My name is Anton Bench Fallorin Quitoriano, 21 years old, from Quezon City. Eager and dedicated as an aspiring civil engineer student seeking on-the-job training opportunity to apply academic knowledge in real-world construction project. Aim to contribute technical skills and practical insights to a dynamic construction team. My expertise are proficient in AutoCAD and MS Office suites, knowledgeable in construction project scheduling and cost estimation, understanding of building codes, regulation, and industry standards, strong analytical and problem-solving abilities, excellent communication and teamwork skills, familiarity with construction safety protocols and practices, strong leadership qualities demonstrated through extracurricular involvement, proficient in field-based surveying techniques including fundamentals principles and methods with practical application in fieldwork settings. I'm currently studying at the Mapua University as junior year, and I sincerely appreciate your consideration of me for your company, as it will greatly aid in my ability to develop new talent and acquire experiences that will be beneficial to my future professional endeavors. Good day.